You are going to love the 2025 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, skid plates, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.